to get this emote. So all you have to do is go to your TikTok, system notifications. You have to go to the plan of publisher. So in order to get to plan of publisher, you must apply for it. Then here, go to this campaign and click this pack, and at first this will be claim. So once you claim it, you'll get a CD key, but unfortunately you cannot use the CD key anymore because I already used it on my account. So you have to do it yourself, guys, and copy it and go to the redemption code on your profile by clicking your avatar border settings, and put the CD key here. That is already redeemed, guys, so you have to get one yourself. Only one CD key per account. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.